guys, Mr. Kawaman here. So welcome to a new week. So this week we're going to look at graphical inequalities. So this is a long topic, but I'll try to squeeze it up with two examples. Hope you follow me. So yeah, so what inequalities describe region K? So this is the region K. So you know that a Cartesian plane, this is a Cartesian plane, so it has x and y. So it has x and y. So every line that's going through this side, horizontal line is the x-axis. The line going up is a vertical line. So what do? We're going to start with the easier ones. The easier ones are these lines that cut the x-axis. But these slopes are more complicated. So we'll start with this line and that line. So we'll start with this line. So this line is cutting the x-axis. This line is cutting the x-axis. So you're going to write x. It's cutting the x-axis at 4. So you write 4 here. Now, if you stand here, you know that going this side, we're increasing. It's greater than. But you know that your k is at the other side, it's at the left side. So the left side you're going to put less than. That's less than because your focus is your k. So focus is k. That's it. So if you see this is dotted, this is dotted. If it's a dotted line, you don't put an equal to. You don't put that. The equal to is only for a solid line, which you'll see in example, the next answer. So that's all. So you stand here, your k is at the left side because your focus is k. So 2. The next one is this one. So this one is cutting the y-axis. You know this line is the y-axis. So you're going to write y, and at what number? -4. So y, if you are going, we're going up because our k is up. So you know when we're going up is greater than. It's greater than. So you're going to put y is greater than equal to -4. That's it. Then now, that's it. Because you know when you're going up is greater than, it has cut the y-axis at what number? -4. Then the last one, you know, this line. This is a slope. So a slope usually cuts any Cartesian plane at 2 points. So these are the points. It has cut this one here and there. So at this point, you pick 2 points. You pick your x and y. Here, my x is -2. My y is 0. Here, my x is 0. You know, this is the y-axis. At the y-axis, there's no x. That's why I put 0. If it's not there, you put 0. Then my y is 2. So the format we're using is xy, always. So once you find your points, you need to find your gradient. So m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So m is equals to y2, so you name them. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is 2 minus 0. y1 is 0 over x2, 0 minus 2. So m is equals to 2 over negative times negative is positive. So m is equals to 1. So you have y is equals to mx. This is the equation you use. Never forget it. Y is equals to mx plus c. So your m gradient is 1. So you're going to put 1. So the y is equals to, but because it's 1, just show with an x. So x plus c. Now, go and find what is c. C is known as your y-intercept. C on this slope, where in your y-axis, what numbers cut? Like what numbers cut the y-axis in this slope? If you see, it's 2. So 2 is your y-intercept. So 2 is your c. There's no need for solving. You just get your 2 here. So y is equals to x plus 2. So this is not your final answer. This is not your final answer. Your final answer has to have an inequality sign. So when you stand here, always stand on your inequality sign. So when you stand here, when you are going up, it's greater. But my k is at which side? It's the lesser side. So you're going to put y is less or equal to, because it's solid, x plus 2. So that's your answer. So yeah, I hope you have understood. Where I'm not clear, please pause the video. And I just want to make one thing clear. These online lessons are there to help you. But if you're not studying, you're not solving, you're not helping yourself. And I hope you are going to tuition school. These are just meant to supplement. So I hope you do that and look out for